Welcome back. In today's quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to disable vibration for Telegram group notifications. If your phone keeps buzzing every time a group message comes in, this simple setting will help you take back control and keep things quiet. Let's jump right in. Start by opening the Telegram app on your phone. Once you're inside, look for the menu icon. Depending on your device, this could be the three lines in the top corner or your profile icon. Tap on it to open the main menu. From there, go ahead and tap on Settings. This is where Telegram keeps all of its customization options, including notifications. Now, inside Settings, find and tap on Notifications and Sounds. This section lets you manage how alerts behave for messages, groups, and channels. Next, tap on Groups. Since we're focusing specifically on group chats, this is where you'll find the relevant controls. Once you're in the group settings, look for more options and tap on it. This will expand additional notification settings that aren't shown by default. Now tap on Vibrate. You'll see several vibration options depending on your device, such as default, short, long, or disabled. To stop your phone from vibrating for group notifications, simply select Disabled, and that's it. From now on, your Telegram group messages will come in silently without any vibration, making your experience much less distracting, especially if you're part of busy group chats. If you ever want to turn vibration back on, just follow the same steps and choose a different option. Give it a try and enjoy a quieter Telegram experience.